What is up, guys? He plays games here in another video. This video will be showing you how to fix the camera on Acadmia 11 for the Samsung Galaxy Event. So first up, you're gonna flash the files that I leave in the description through your recovery. Just flash them. You should know how to do that. Then once you do that, you'll have the camera up. You open the camera up, and it'll just be a black screen. It might even say cannot connect the camera. So to fix that, once you already flashed the files and everything, go to Play Store and download Google Camera. You're gonna install it. Just wait for the download. Wait for it to finish. Almost done. There you go, now it's finished. I thought it was finished. What is that? Oh, okay. Now from when it's finished, you're gonna click open. Do it from Google Play. Open it. You have a black screen. It might even say connect the camera. You're gonna swipe right. Wait, just wait for it. You're gonna swipe right and click on the settings icon. Go to resolution and quality. Change the back camera to 720p. And there you go. It should be working. See, it's working. Video. Everything works. You can record. And there you have it. That is how you fix your camera on Acadmia 11. Once you play these games, make sure you sub for this important tip, and peace.